Hi, this is a quick video on how to change the motherboard inside a Saniclear. So you will need a pair of pliers, cutting pliers and a long nose and a Phillips screwdriver. So here we go. And of course the new motherboard. So opening this, you will need to unscrew the panel. Here we go. So you take this off. Now remember, this must be unplugged, of course, while working on it. So first things first, we have to take the display board off of the main board. Now you may experience some problem taking this off, since those little, I don't know if you can see correctly, you have two little prongs here. We found that is really, so these are these four little posts. So in order to work better, you would have to cut one off to take these off. So doing so, you will go like this. You can pull, you might need to use your pliers here, your long nose pliers, to compress the snaps. Alright, so now this is taken off. You could take your new display board, your new motherboard, and install your display board on it. Now, you need to align these little connector pins with this connector on the bottom of it. And you see those four posts are going to line up with the holes there. So, you have to figure out just by, you can start with one side and look from the side to connect properly the connectors. Like this. And then press on the four corners like this. Make sure they are properly connected. Now, visual confirmation underneath here, just about here, to confirm the connectors are inside. So now you've got your new motherboard assembly. Let's go back to the other one. All right, now we want to disconnect the old board and replace the new one. So we just go ahead and disconnect the power inlet right here. So those two connectors. So like this. So you can disconnect those four wires here. So you have the blue one. This might be a bit hard, so you could go with a pair of pliers and take them out. As you can see on the board, it says blue, white, violet, and gray. So this is the correct order to put them back together. So take these out. All right. Here we go. Next we're going to take the red wire here and the black wire here out. Same thing. Okay, and then we have here the orange and the yellow. Here we go. So these are all disconnected. Now last step is just these two screws that hold it in place. By pushing it forward here, you can take it apart. So there you go. This is your old PC board. So we'll put this aside. I'm going to take my assembly with the display board and just put it in place. Here we go. Okay, so screw this back in. Okay. So we had black down here. Make sure the jumpers are placed the same way as they were on the other one. Here we go. Now, make sure to plug the right colors in. So, here we have, okay, let's start with the blue one. Followed by white, then violet, then gray. Okay, here we go. Now we want to plug in red and black. So red here. You can always read which color goes where. Red, black. It's written on the panel itself. Black. Here we have yellow and orange. So we'll go ahead and plug in yellow and orange. Here we go. And that's it. It's done. Now you can just take your panel, put it back into place, and put the screw back in. There you are.